So another of the questions we get a lot of at Lensbaby is, as well as how you take the optics out, is that the macro converters are stuck. So the macro converters are these little things here. So they're basically a little like extension tubes, and they go between the Optic and the Composer Pro. So we have two macro converters. So we have the 16mm, which is the silver one, and the 8mm, which is the little black one. And these two can be stacked together to make a 24mm. The best way to stack them together is with the silver inside the black, and they just clip into place, but you have to get them the right way. Like that. Then we put the Optic in here, and then this goes into our Composer Pro like that. And we can still bend our Composer Pro, and then we can get a little bit closer. The minimum focusing distance varies from lens to lens, but like I said, you can still get closer into your optic, into your subject matter to shoot macro. To get them out, we remove them the same way that we would remove an optic. So it goes in the same way, clicks into place, and then we push down, turn counterclockwise, and pull it out. But like I said, sometimes the optics get stuck in the Composer Pro and people struggle to get them out. So the best way I found is the same as taking out an optic, but you need to have a good grip on the macro converter and a good grip on the optic. So turn your aperture ring all the way to f22, push in and turn, it will come out like that. Now, like I said, some people end up putting the 8mm inside the 16mm, and it's hard to get it out. So you see there's not a whole lot to grip there. The easiest way I have found is with the optic inside them. So you get it in, you need to make sure you have a firm grip on both the optic with the 8mm, which is not going to be easy, and the other hand is going to hold onto your 16mm. You turn the aperture ring all the way to f22 again, push in and turn like that. So it really just is practice. It gets easier, but it's still tricky the first time you get them stuck together that way because it's hard to know how to get it out. There is an alternative. So if we put that back in, let me take my optic out. If it's stuck like this and you're not using the optic, you can push down very hard and turn at the same time. It just takes a little more effort. But that way we'll get them separated. And that's it. That's how you use the macro converters with all our optics in the Optic Swap system.